Hello guys, welcome to yestutorials.com. Today we are going to discuss about glitch effect on Adobe Photoshop. So let's start with the tutorial. Alright, so what we need is an image. I got it from pixels.com. You can get one from there. Just use a text tool and write something on it. I'm going to write insane. We're going to add some effect to this one as well. Now we have to merge these layers. We create one, unlock this one. Now press Ctrl J and make 4 duplicate layers of it. Uncheck the top 3. We're going to work on second layer. Double click on that and deselect G and B. We only want one channel, red channel checked. Okay, so now we have a new effect. Press alphabet key V on your keyboard and hold it and tap right arrow key for 6 to 7 times. Gives you a nice effect. Sorry about that. Gives you a nice effect here. Now we go and check the third layer. We add blending options to this as well, but we uncheck red and blue. Again, hold V and tap your right arrow key for 8 to 10 times. So you get this very nice effect. Okay, now unhide the third layer, the second layer from top. Go to blending options and uncheck R and G. Hold alphabet key V and tap left arrow key for 7 to 8 times. Adjust it as needed. Now you see we have a nice effect on the image. This is original image and this is what we have right now. Now unhide the top one, the top image, and be sure to convert it to smart object. Then go to filter gallery and choose halftone pattern. Be sure to have size 2, contrast 2. And you see we get a nice negative image. Change blend mode to overlay and adjust opacity to your requirement, and so you get nice effect on the glitch one. Now we can have one more effect on this one. We can change the effect to here we have line, we can have dots. So that's about it. We have now we have the glitch effect here. This is how your normal image was looking, and this is what we get. So thanks for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, and be sure to leave your comments and like the video.